How to install your Icera seat hardware for soft, quick release seats. First, identify the parts: bolt anchors, seat bolts, base and pegs, and gaskets that go under the base. First, insert bolt anchors into the bolt hole. Next, gasket under the peg, make sure your slot's lined up. Place over the hole. Next, seat bolts into the bolt anchors. I suggest using a power tool, but Phillips screwdriver is fine. Now you want to get it down there, not too tight, but you want to get it down there where it's tight enough, but you can still wiggle it around. You will have to make some adjustments to align the seat. There you go. That's the kind of movement you want. Next, take the seat, line it up. Make sure it's nice and flush. And bolt down. Now you want to go until you feel some resistance. If you can, give it another turn. Next, caps. Installation complete.